Good day everyone. Today here is another tutorial on how to bypass Infinix x606B, that is Hot 6. This video is not for stolen phone, please make sure you don't abuse it. If you try to check the screen as I'm clicking on continue, is getting back automatically. I think you can see it. So how to get rid of this, just follow this tutorial one after the other. So you click on this and make sure you connect your Wi-Fi. At the top left corner here you will see small key there which is telling us this Google account is still there. And so what you just need to do is to change your language to this language. I don't know that language too, but if you see what I select, make sure you select it too. So you click on next, wait and let it load. Go back, then you select this Wi-Fi, select this plus, then click OK. No, press and hold this, select this option, select this green button. Just watch the video and choose whatever I choose. Then go to the right corner, 3 dots, click on it and select the second option. And this will load here. Click on this delete option. At the top you will see there's nothing like share there, but make sure you click on this and it will bring out 2 browsers. So anyone you can make use of it, but I'm going to make use of Chrome. Now click OK. So we have to wait and let this Google Chrome to load normally the way it's supposed to be. No thanks. As you can see, the language on your keyboard you don't understand it, so you need to change it to English by doing this. Now you can see the letter. You can search for FRP file/bypass, or you can even follow the link in my description below. Type the link somewhere, then you follow that link, you will get the file you need. So the first link that we select here is giving us error, so you choose the next one. If you click on the first link and it's giving you error, get other links there. There are many bypass sites on the internet. So we are going to download 3 files here too again. So the first one is Google account based on Android 8 to 10. Click download. Then wait and let it finish. You will download FRP file, that is FRP APK. As you can see, the Google Account Manager has already been downloaded, so I'm trying to install it before I download the remaining software. So let me install this one in the first place. Done. So let us go and download the remaining files. Click on this. So let us look for FRP file APK. So here is it. Click on download. Click OK. That is the second one. So as I'm trying to download the quick shortcut maker, now this has finished. I need to install it too. That is FRP file. Now done. Open it. Click on these 3 dots to browse in. Click on that option. Yes. Click OK. So where you are going to log in your Google account will appear here. So let us log in our Gmail account. I will need to hide it because I don't want it to link to anyone. So now I have entered my information and log in. And if this login, this will disappear automatically. You will not see this again. Done. So in the process of this quick shortcut maker is trying to download now, so let us download and install. Now it has been installed, so click on open and let us look for is either RLK settings or XOS launcher. So one out of the two will work for you, but I'm going to make use of RLK settings. So click it and open it, go to the third one and select it, so it will take you here. So you continue launching your phone the way it's supposed to be from this stage. Select your country, then click on next. You will click on next. It will take you back to the main place. If you like, you can continue from here. If you like, you can restart your phone, but I will advise you to restart, because I will still restart this, because if you look at the top of this phone, we see that small key is still there, like we haven't finished it and everything is done perfectly. So if you restart it, the key will disappear. So you continue the setup like when you just buy the phone. Next, no thanks, then click OK. Done, everything is clear. But if you look at the top, you will still see the key there, like I said. So you just have to restart it. So if you check it again, you will not see the key there again. So let me restart. So after I restart, this is what it brought to me. If you look at the top now, you will see have disappeared. I think you can see it. So we are good to go.